Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to annotate the dimensioning on the mechanical 2D drawings. Yes, to open the drawing, this the I already upload the how to draw this mechanical sketch on the previous videos. You can learn from that video. This is a 2D drawing in my YouTube channel. Okay. I erase my dimensioning. Sleep here. And then okay. And to make a dimensioning, choose layer property here. This make a dimension. Okay. And to make drawings, choose the new layer and dimension MEN SIONS dimension. Okay. Dimensions 1 maybe. And then choose the continuous line, solid line here, and then the transparency values to 50 because this to make a transparency and not the same value in the drawings. Okay, dimension edit. Yeah, then you make a dimension in here, diameter 36. Yeah, that's 58. Yes, then 36 50x 58 here, 58 here. Okay, then this that 36, let's 36 this side 36. Okay, then that will be 8 side diameter 8 here, the 8. Okay, 40 change the linear and that clips and then relates and the 40. Okay, to change the connection here just like that. Yeah, I will show you this. Just click the line and then clicks to near the line. Okay, yes, escape. Okay, then use the linear here to here, then choose the tick, click. Okay, and then click the dimension line here to drag here, click, enter. Then radius 20 here, diameter 60. Choose radius 20 and then diameter values 60. Okay, then this the diameter, inside diameter 40, outside diameter 58. Side diameter 40 and the outside diameter 58. Okay, small size diameter 10 here, diameter 10. Okay, slowly. Radius, failure says radius 15. Choose here the radius here, radius 50. Then diameter 22, radius 20. Radius here 20. Choose the diameter here, 22. and then 32, 34. Here the linear, choose click here to the point, here 34. Choose the linear, the point, mark here 34. Then click to that, enter. Okay, click to that, here to that, enter. Okay, now you have the complete drawing dimension here. Very simple. Choose the layout here. You will have the full dimension. Okay, this is very simple. And to make a viewport here, new layout here. You are drawing here. This is the model. This is the layout. Okay. Firstly, I erase and the objects, and then your layout, right click, paste data manager, modify, and you will choose the paper size here. I choose A4. Landscape. Okay. Close. And then pause. Okay. Click inside the printing area. Click. Now you are drawing here. Change the model. You will choose the adjustment. Then if you want to show, grid off the position and then switch to paper, and then you adjust. Okay, this is the dimensioning tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.